morning, YouTube. Everyone, welcome to Derrik Nikkel Studios. If you're new, yeah, I think today's vlog we're gonna probably go finish up that storage unit and get it all swapped out. And sold tons of stuff. I got rid of the meat slicer, the bread maker, and then some like asphalt sealer. There's a couple other things I can't remember, but been selling lots of stuff, so that's awesome. Alright, I'm gonna have a smoke and make a coffee because I still got a full coffee from yesterday I didn't have from McDonald's. I'm just gonna microwave it. I don't care. Some of you guys think that's gross, but I don't mind it. Alright, I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for coming back. What's going on, guys? So I didn't end up cleaning the storage unit, but I did get the car emptied and I cleaned the car. I gotta clean the outside of it still, but yeah. Got it all vacuumed out. Floor's looking all good. I still gotta actually like wipe the seats down, but push that back. Yeah, she's looking pretty slick, minus a little wipe down. Not bad. God, I've already seen what's left at the storage unit, not a whole lot. But yeah, I'm gonna have a quick smoke and then I gotta go get Dominic from school. He's back in school now. And I don't know, well, either go to the storage unit and grab some stuff on the way up, but probably not. Maybe we'll take him out magnet fishing for a bit or something, because he hasn't done anything fun this week, and neither have we. So yeah, maybe we'll end up at the lake and find something really cool. But I'll see you guys in the next scene when we find out. This is the magnet that I got. I think it's something like 800 pounds of pulling force. I'm gonna not get it near the camera. That probably wouldn't end very well. But yeah, let's see if we can find some cool stuff with this. There's a going up here, eh?
Yeah. Like absolutely.
Oh, like literally the whole lot's empty for the boat launch. There's someone down in the dock. Alright guys, we just got to Paul Lake. Holy, it was really hard to get a shot in here with the bike.
I got a new hat.
Yeah, we just got up to Paul Lake. Check it out. I'll just give you guys a little shot from the car. It is beautiful up here, guys. Oh, that looks amazing. It's really smoky right now, though. Oh, I gotta get the magnet thing out of there, babe.
It's on.
Oh, nice.
It's
You got it?
in my hand.
Alright. This lens is amazing. There's like almost no glare on the water when you're going fairly straight down. Great. It's like you can see where the water line is. It's like right here. There's almost no glare until you really get out on an angle, like about there. This is what it looks like without the lens filter. Just like, see the difference? All that glare. And then you can tone it right down. See? without the filter. With the filter, you can see right in there. It's a pretty beautiful scene. We love it up here. We actually usually come up here at least once a month. Ooh, that's bright. Alright, let's head over to the dock. I want to try it a couple times too.
Okay, you can get the first. You already tangled it.
It'll untangle pretty easy. So it doesn't get stuck on it. Okay. Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty close.
That was real close. Alright, I don't know how much of that last scene got recorded, guys, but yeah, we were just doing some throws with the magnet on the dock and way too much seaweed, so I didn't really get anything. So we're gonna go try the boat launch, I guess, where we first started, but didn't actually bother throwing really there, so. Well guys, the camera died on us up at the lake and I didn't bring my extra batteries. So yeah, it's kind of a short stream today and we kind of got cut off in the middle of it, but that's it for the stream. Thanks for coming back to Derrik Nikkel Studios, and yeah, hope to see you guys in the next ones. Make sure you got that bell button hit so that you know as soon as it gets released. And yeah, subscribe if you haven't, like for sure, because that helps you out big time, and share it with your friends. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one.